Science for Quarter 4, Week 5. Interpreting Local Weather Chart. Matatag Curriculum, Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabansa, with me, Teacher KMT. Good day, kids! Today, we will learn about interpreting local weather chart. Here are the possible objectives for today's lesson. Number 1. Give interpretation to the gathered data or observation and use the skill gained to also interpret local weather charts. Number 2. Make predictions on weather changes based on observations. And number 3. Explain weather patterns. Let us review to be guided by your actual teacher. Unlocking content area vocabulary. Create a group, then choose at least 10 words from the list you will describe to your member. Take your time in answering this. You may pause this video. Now let us learn their meaning. Number 1. Weather forecasting. Telling what the weather will be like in the future using special tools and science. Number 2. Weather maps. Pictures that show the weather in different places. Number 3. Weather charts. Detailed graphical representations of weather data, often showing information like pressure systems, fronts, and precipitation over a specific area. Number 4. Weather station. A place with tools to measure things like temperature and wind to know what the weather is like. Number 5. Pag-asa. The group in the Philippines that tells people what the weather will be like and warns them about storms. Number 6. Rain. Water that falls from the sky in drops. Number 7. Sleet. Tiny ice pellets that fall from the sky like a mix of rain and snow. Number 8. Snow. Soft white flakes of ice that fall from the sky when it's very cold. Number 9. Meteorologist. A scientist who studies the weather and tells us what it will be like. Number 10. Meteorology. The science of studying the weather and the atmosphere. Number 11. Fine weather. Nice, sunny weather with no rain. Number 12. Fair weather. Good weather with a few clouds and mild temperatures. Number 13. Cloudy weather. When the sky is covered with lots of clouds. Number 14. Rainy weather. When it is raining or about to rain. Number 15. Stormy weather. When there are strong winds, heavy rain, thunder, or lightning. Explicitation, to be guided by your actual teacher. Work example. Let us examine the DOST weather forecast below. Forecast issued at 4 a.m. February 27, 2024. The temperatures indicates the highest and lowest expected temperatures for the day. Kids, remember, the weather forecast typically provides two temperatures for a location, the high and the low. The high temperature is the warmest temperature expected during the day, usually occurring in the afternoon. The low temperature is the coolest temperature expected during the night or early morning. Let's answer. Number 1. Which province will experience the hottest temperature for the day? Good job! Zamboanga will experience the hottest temperature for the day with a high of 34 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Which province will experience the coldest? Great! Zamboanga, Tacloban, and Davao will experience the coldest temperature for the day with a low of 24 degrees Celsius. Number 3. What will be the general description of the weather for the region? Good job! The general weather description for the region indicates warm and humid conditions with temperatures ranging from mid-20s to mid-30s degrees Celsius. Expect mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies typical of tropical climates. Weather events are recorded and predicted daily all over the world. These scientists work in weather stations or specialized facilities equipped with the personnel, instruments, and technology needed to prepare weather forecasts and reports. In the Philippines Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or also known as PAG-ASA, is the government agency responsible for providing information about flood and typhoon warnings, public weather forecasts, and advisories and other information.
It worked closely with a network of weather stations all over the world that gathers relevant information about the weather in different countries and studies this in relation to the Philippine weather conditions. They prepare reports and similar documents that contain their analysis and findings on the weather. This is based on real-life science for 2020.
Weather maps and charts. Look at the following figures. Now let's answer the following questions. Number 1. Which of the two figures shows the details of the atmospheric conditions prevailing in a certain part of the Earth and which meteorologists use to forecast the weather? Very good! Figure 1 shows the details of the atmospheric conditions prevailing in a certain part of the Earth and which meteorologists use to forecast the weather. Number 2. Which of the two contain information and analysis of the weather in a given locality as detected by weather instruments within a given period? Good job! Figure 2 contains information and analysis of the weather in a given locality as detected by weather instruments within a given period. Analyze the picture. Let's answer number 1. In what way can this inform us of the possible weather conditions the following week? Great! The 7-day weather forecast starting from September 12, 2015 provides insight into the general weather patterns for the upcoming week. By analyzing trends such as temperature fluctuations, precipitation, and cloud cover, meteorologists can make educated predictions about the weather in the following week. Question number 2. Will our forecast become a certainty? Good job! Weather forecasts are based on complex meteorological data and models which provide a good estimate of future conditions. However, they are not always certain due to the dynamic nature of the atmosphere. While forecasts are generally reliable, they can change as new data becomes available. Number 3. Is there a possibility it will not be forecasted? Why and why not? Correct! There is always a possibility that actual weather conditions may differ from forecasts. This can happen due to unexpected changes in atmospheric patterns or limitations in forecasting models. Factors such as sudden shifts in wind patterns, temperature changes, or unpredicted weather systems can lead to discrepancies between the forecast and actual weather. However, modern forecasting techniques have significantly improved accuracy, reducing the likelihood of major deviation. Now, this discussion is to be guided with your actual teacher. Learners' takeaways to be guided by your actual teacher. Reflection on learning to be guided by your actual teacher. Evaluating learning. Multiple choice. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following refers to the scientists who study the weather? A. Astronomer. B. Astrologist. C. Meteorologist. D. Geologist. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter C. Meteorologist. Number 2. What does a falling barometer pressure indicate? A. Fine weather. B. Bad weather. C. Fair weather. Or D. Sunny weather. What is the correct answer? Correct! Letter B. Bad weather. Number 3. Which of the following describes a fine weather? Letter A. It rained for most part of the day. Letter B. The sky is clear and the wind is calm. Letter C. There is heavy rain and strong wind. Letter D. The heat of the sun is not felt strongly because clouds cover the sky. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter B. The sky is clear and the wind is calm. Number 4. Which of the following refers to the application of science and technology to predict the state of the atmosphere for a given location? Letter A. Weather forecasting. Letter B. Weather maps. Letter C. Weather reports. Letter D. Weather station. What is the correct answer? Good job! The correct answer is letter A. Weather forecasting. Number 5. Which of the following records the data gathered on the components of weather of a given place as detected by the different weather instruments? Letter A. Weather charts. Letter B. Weather forecasting. Letter C. Weather maps. Or letter D. Weather reports. What is the correct answer? Great! The correct answer is letter A. Weather charts. Well done, kids! What have we learned today? Today, we learn about that a weather forecast is a simplified version of the weather report that helps us understand what the weather will be like. It includes basic information such as temperature, which can be hot, cold, or mild, and weather conditions like sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, or windy. It also explains wind levels from breezy to windy and types of precipitation such as rain, snow, or hail. Special weather alerts like storms, heat waves, or cold snaps help us know when to be extra careful. For example, a forecast might say, "Today will be sunny and warm, perfect for playing outside, but tomorrow expect some clouds and a chance of rain. So don't forget your raincoat." This helps us, especially you, to know what to wear and how to plan the day. Kids, thank you for listening. I hope you have learned. Please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe.